Zane and Zella, best friends forever, learning and growing, playing together with laughter and fun. They'll explore their friendship, growing more and more.
Zane and Zella!
Doopy-doo-doo-doo.
Hey Zella, what are you doing?
I'm driving a fire truck.
Ah, hey, I know somebody that works at the fire station. Do you want to go see them?
I'd love to.
Let's go.
Yay!
We're here today at the Lincoln Fire Station, and today we're going to see some fire trucks.
Yay!
We're here with Tamara, who's a fire prevention officer at the Lincoln Fire Station. And she's going to tell us a little bit about what she does.
Well, every day I get to go into schools just like yours to talk to the kids about fire safety. I also do inspections at businesses and homes to make sure that everybody's safe and practicing proper fire prevention. Zella, would you like to meet some firefighters?
Oh, yes, please!
Hi, I'm Firefighter Sarah from Lincoln Station 2.
Hi, I'm Firefighter David from Lincoln Station 3.
Hi, I'm Lincoln Station 4 Firefighter Scott.
Hi, I'm Firefighter Cooper from Lincoln Station 3.
Hi, I'm Captain Brian Cook from Lincoln Station 1.
Captain Cookie?
That's right. Zella, would you like to see a firefighter dress up in all their gear?
I'd love to.
Let's do it.
So we're here and we have all the fire equipment, and we're going to see how it goes on and how it works.
So Firefighter Cooper is going to put all his gear on. This is the stuff he's going to wear when he's going into a fire. He has a protective hood he's going to wear over his head to protect him from the heat and smoke. Everything goes on in a certain system to make sure he's covered up completely. He'll reach and put on his big jacket now. All this gear is made from material to help protect him from flames and from smoke. Once he has his coat on, he can reach down and pick up his air pack, which he'll wear on his back.
Just like a backpack.
Looks heavy.
This backpack weighs close to what one of you weigh, probably close to 60 pounds. Now that he's here, he has a face piece that he'll put on so that no smoke and gases and flames get to his face. And he'll pull that nice hood up over top to cover everything. The last thing he wants to put on is his helmet to protect his head from anything falling. He's almost ready, but he needs a couple more things to take with him. Every firefighter needs an axe, and he also needs a radio to make sure he can talk to people. Now he'll find a partner dressed just like him, and they'll go fight the fire.
So when a firefighter is putting on their gear, what's the time frame that they're trying to get everything on so that they can get out the door?
They have to be fast, so they have to dress up in all that gear in about 90 seconds, a minute and a half.
Wow, that is very fast.
Very fast. Do you think we could see a fire hose in action?
I think so. I think we can set up and spray some water for you.
Thanks, Captain Cook.
That sounds like fun. Let's go.
firefighters love to eat?
Hot dogs.
Hot tamales.
We like 5-alarm chili.
And to finish it all off, we gotta have our cookies.
This is a smoke alarm. Zella, do you know what smoke alarms do?
No, what do they do?
Well, they essentially smell smoke. So everybody should have them in their home on every level of the home and outside of all sleeping areas so that you can hear them when you sleep. When they smell smoke, they go beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 like that?
Perfect. And do you know what to do if they go beep, beep, beep?
What do you do?
Well, you need to get outside and go to your meeting area. So every family should have a meeting area that they plan together in their home escape plan. And when you hear the smoke alarm, it means there could be smoke or fire in the home. So we need to get outside and call
911.
Perfect.
Zane, do we have a home escape plan?
We don't, and I think we should
Oh.
actually really work on making one.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Maybe we'll go home and do this after.
Okay.
We've had an amazing day with Lincoln Fire Rescue, and we're so grateful for the opportunity to come by, and we thank you guys for all the work that you did today. Bye!
Bye.
Ooh. Can Zella drive the fire truck?
No.
Bye.
I'm testing the smoke alarm.
I can tell.
Should we test the rest of them?
Yeah, I guess we probably should now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.